Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the Aries ascending people. So, for all the Aries in people, first of all, we will talk about Sun. Now, all the planets are come back to its direct motion. Jupiter was previously moving in retrograde motion from last year 2025. But now, by February 2025, Jupiter come back to its direct motion as we discussed in our previous monthly prediction video. This video is concerned about only the month of March. So, this video is for monthly prediction of March for all the Aries ascending people. So, first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries ascending people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now, Sun is starting from your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already transit. Sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces around 14th of March. 14th of March, Sun will stay to your 12th house till end of this month. So, fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your learning ability, your skills, your all of your fun activities, your sincere loved ones, your learning ability, your education, especially early education till college level education is seen from fifth house. So your fifth house Lord will be targeting from your 11th house till 14th of March. Till 14th of March, we can expect their desire regarding your fifth house related matter. If you have children, then we can expect your children will be flourish in their life due to aspect of fifth house Lord from 11th house to its own house. Sun is expecting its own house, your fifth house from your 11th house. And 11th house also deal with your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes. Although Saturn and Sun not considered friends in astrology, but your 11th house is right down a strong position because Saturn 11th house Lord is already transiting from your 11th house. So, when your fifth house Lord is receiving the aspect of its own Lord from your 11th house, from the house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes, from your 11th house, then we can expect you will get great result regarding your fifth house related matters, which is until 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces. In the sign of Pisces, right now, many planets are transiting, and two planets are about to turn into its retrograde motion in the month of March, Mercury and Venus, which we will talk about later in this video. But after 14th of March, you need to be very careful regarding your fifth house related matter because Rahu is already transiting into your 12th house, and Sun, your fifth house Lord, will also be transiting from your 12th house after 14th of March. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with your loved ones regarding to expenses and losses because 12th house represents expenses and losses. If you have any connection from foreign land, like you want to move from your birthplace to some foreign land, you want to permanently settle from your birth to some different country, then this time period will be considered as positive time period for you people because your 12th house is right now in a strong position. Without any foreign connection, then you be very careful at your workplace regarding all the matters of your life because 12th house also represent expenses, losses, hospitalization, medication, etc. etc. Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house. And right now, Mercury is counting from your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Mercury is also about to turn into its retrograde motion on 15th of March 2025 in your 12th house as discussed previously in Sun section. So, whenever any planet turn into retrograde motion, its effects will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. But in your case, your third house lord is starting from your 12th house, and sixth house lord is also starting from your 12th house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, your against people, your enemies, your people who don't want good for you seen from sixth house, people who provide you service, your loans, your debt, your daily routine in context of work. This position of Mercury being in a retrograde motion in your 12th house will be proved very beneficial for you regarding your court case, litigation, related enemies, related matter. Your enemies will be suppressed. Yeah, the enemy will be facing losses during this time. Your presence of your 6th house or into your 12th house and also your 6th house is right now occupied by Ketu. Ketu perform very well with the naturally malefic house 6, 8 and 12th house because Ketu suppress the negativity of your 6th house right now or during this time period. And Lord of your sixth house is right now casting from your 12th house in the house of expenses and losses. So your enemy, you're against people will face loss right now. Third house Lord is transiting from your 12th house. If you have any connection to travel related matter, like you want to travel some foreign land, you want to visit some country, then we can expect this position will prove very beneficial regarding your travel matter. But third house also deal with your siblings, your younger sibling especially. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with your younger sibling, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, because your third house Lord is right now transiting from your 12th house, and from 12th house we see your expenses and losses. In a sense, you may face some type of loss due to your when you're dealing with due to some argument to communication related disturbance due to because third house represents your communication and also representing your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, and your younger siblings. Right now, your 12th house Lord is coming from your 12th house. That's why you need to be very careful when you're dealing with your third house related significances. Venus controls your second house and your seventh house, and right now Venus is traveling from your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Venus is right now pairing with exerted position in the sign of Pisces. And Venus is also about to turn into its retrograde motion as we discussed previously in Sun section around uh, 2nd of March. And Venus will stay retrograde till 13th April 2025. So, a major portion of this time period means Venus is already in its exalted position, in a very good position, in a very good sign, and will be about to turn into its retrograde motion around 2nd of March and will stay retrograde till 13th April. So, Venus controls your second house. Second house will be your family, your earnings, your savings, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habit, your mouth using is also seen from second house. Your loved ones, along with fifth house, is also seen from second house. Your early upbringing, your childhood scenario, also represented by second house. Seventh house will be your life partner, your spouse, your marriage, your legal binding, your agreemented things. In journal, seventh house represents journal population, like how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. Seventh house also plays a very important role in your fame-related matter. So your second house and seventh house Lord is right now moving at exalted position in your 12th house. So as we discussed previously in Sun section, if you have any connection from foreign land, like you work in a multinational company or your earnings are come from foreign, or you have any connection, you close family members are living in foreign land, then we can expect you may get some good result, good news from foreign land regarding all of this matter. Also, if you are looking for foreign spouse, then we can expect great result, great opportunities, and good proposal from foreign land during this time period for all the Aries ascendant people. Also, although your second house lord is starting from your 12th house, money house lord is moving in the house of expenses and losses, but it's still Jupiter is starting from your second house. So that's why you will get a great opportunity to save a lot of money during this time period. Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is also pivoted into your 12,000 sign of Pisces. The positions of plague you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 1st of March 2025. Because Moon is a very fast moving planet. If we try to explain Moon in a monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you a different how you can assess your moon transit into your birth chart on daily basis. First of all, whenever moon is starting from your 6th, 8th, and 12th house, you need to be very careful regarding all the methods related to your 4th house because 6th, 8th, and 12th house considered as naturally malefic house. Well, naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties are always associated from these houses. Secondly, whenever moon is starting from any naturally malefic planet, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars in transit from any house, then you have to be very careful regarding the fourth house significance related matter because the moon is a very sensitive planet. Moon can influence well easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. So these are the two important things to assess moon transit in everyone's birth chart. Mars, Mars controls your first house and your eighth house. And right now, Mars is coming from your third house in the sign of Gemini. Mars is very important planet for you people because Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars controls the oral aspects of your chart. because ascendant set the map of our chart and Mars is your ascendant lord. Also controls your eighth house. First house is with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your general health, your major aspects of life like your health, your general health, your overall earning, your overall strength of your chart. All of these things is represented by first house. Your mental perception, your thinking pattern, all of these things is represented by the sign in your first house and your ascendant. Eighth house is with your secrecy, your secrets, your in-laws, your hidden activities, your sexual relationship, your extramarital affairs, etc., etc. All the hidden things, all the secretive things are represented by eighth house. Sudden unexpected gains and sudden unexpected negative event and positive event, both these things are seen from eighth house. So your ascendant lord and eighth house lord is right to conflict from your third house. And Mars will stay into your third house till the whole month of March. So Mars will stay into your third house major portion of this month because Mars was previously moving its retrograde motion as we discussed in our last one prediction video. So, your as third house lord is starting from your 12th house, Mercury, and Mars is within the sign of Mercury, also controls your 8th house. That's the we were saying in Mercury section and Sun section. You need to be very careful when you're dealing with your third house significance. That is your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, and your younger brother and sisters, especially your communication related matter because Mars represent anger and in Gemini sign Mars feel uncomfortable. Mars gives sudden bursts of anger regarding your communication related matter when you're dealing with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. You need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. Also, the eighth house or subject from your third house. You may encounter any sudden event during this time period regarding your the third of significance. Especially, you need to be very careful regarding your courage, regarding your hand skills, and your communication related matter. You may face some unexpected sudden event during this time period. Also, 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 8,000 represent your in-laws. You need to be very careful when you're dealing with your in-laws. Tell Marshall Saturday from the third house in the house of communication. So our today's video monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the EDs friends and here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.